Ever wondered how blockchain technology works? Imagine a world where every transaction you make, every deal you close, and every record you keep is secure, transparent, and free from manipulation. Welcome to the world of blockchain technology. Blockchain technology, in simple terms, is a sophisticated database mechanism that enables transparent sharing of data within a network. Think of it as a chain of blocks, each block storing valuable data. These blocks are interconnected, forming a chronological chain that is practically unchangeable. Why? Because altering a chain requires consensus from the network. This makes the blockchain an immutable ledger, perfect for keeping track of transactions, orders, payments, and accounts. Sounds impressive, right? But why is blockchain technology important? Consider this scenario. You're selling a property. The buyer hands over the money and you transfer the ownership. Both of you record this transaction individually. But what guarantees the authenticity of these records? What if the buyer claims they've paid, even if they haven't? Or you, as the seller, argue you haven't received the money when you actually have? Traditionally, we rely on a trusted third party to validate such transactions, but this approach has its flaws. It complicates the process and creates a single point of vulnerability. If the central database is compromised, both buyer and seller can suffer. Here's where blockchain shines. It fundamentally changes how we record transactions. Instead of a central authority, blockchain creates a decentralized, tamper-proof system. In our property transaction example, blockchain would create a ledger each for the buyer and seller. Every transaction must gain approval from both parties and is automatically updated in both ledgers in real time. Any corruption in historical transactions would corrupt the entire ledger. Isn't that fascinating? Let's delve a bit deeper and look at the key features of blockchain technology. The first is decentralization. This is the transfer of control from a central authority to a distributed network. This increases transparency and reduces the need for trust among participants. Next is immutability. Once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered. If there's an error, a new transaction must be added to reverse it, and both transactions are visible to the network. Lastly, blockchain operates on consensus. New transactions can only be recorded when the majority of participants in the network agree. To wrap up, blockchain technology is a revolutionary system that leverages decentralization, immutability, and consensus to create a transparent, secure, and efficient method for recording transactions. It's a game changer in various sectors, including digital currency like Bitcoin. So next time you hear about blockchain, remember, it's not just a buzzword, it's a technology that's reshaping our world, one block at a time.